Hey, what's up guys? My name is Irina and this is the brand new Galaxy Watch from Samsung. And I cannot wait any longer. Let's see what's inside the box. Here you get the watch itself, an optional larger band, a charging stand, a USB and a wall chargers, and an instruction manual. So first things first, let's talk about the looks. Right off the bat, you can see the design of this watch is pretty similar to its predecessor, the Gear S3. However, this time the watch is available in two different case sizes. There's a 42mm and a 46mm option. And it comes in two colors, midnight black and rose gold for a 42mm watch, and you can only have a 46mm watch in silver. So my Galaxy Watch is 42mm in a rose gold color, and this is the Bluetooth version. The rubber bands are interchangeable, and the whole process seemed pretty easy to me. The build quality of the watch feels premium. It looks and feels expensive, and what I personally love about this watch is that it actually doesn't look like a smartwatch. I've been wearing this watch for about a week now, and I've gotten so many compliments, and oftentimes people could not believe that this was a smartwatch. The Galaxy Watch offers a lot of watch face options, and I especially like choosing the analog faces that look so real that at a first glance you probably wouldn't think that this watch is digital. This watch has the same rotating bezel and two side buttons for navigation as its predecessor. The rotating bezel is actually my favorite thing about the design of this watch and something I find really useful and practical. I mean, look, instead of swiping and touching my screen all day and getting it covered with smudges, I can just rotate a bezel and get to all of my information without touching the screen. Thank you, Samsung! Now let's see what this thing is capable of and what is actually new about this watch when compared to its predecessor. The first big change: you can now go swimming with your Galaxy Watch, and now Samsung even lets you track your swimming workouts. The next new feature is the ability to monitor your stress level and do breathing exercises to relax. Also, the Samsung has improved the exercise tracking. Now the spectrum of workouts is wider. There are actually 39 different workouts, and some of them, like running or cycling, are tracked automatically. The next thing there is new is Bixby. It basically works with pretty standard commands like start a workout, make a call. You can also ask about the weather, but that's pretty much it. And sadly, Bixby couldn't answer most of my questions. Aside from that, the Galaxy Watch has a pretty standard necessary pack of fitness tracking features. It will count steps, floors climbed, calories burned, your heart rate. And of course, we obviously can't imagine the modern smartwatch without ability to track sleep. There is actually a lot of compatible apps that will help you control your food, water, and caffeine consumption. You can also get Spotify and skip through your favorite music. Yes, there are also quick replies and you can make a call and talk through your watch. The Galaxy Watch pairs with both Android and iOS smartphones via Bluetooth. I tested this watch on both platforms and unsurprisingly, it works better on the Android. In my opinion, the interface of the app and the whole presentation is better on the Android as well. When using this watch with an iPhone, some cool features such as quick replies and talking through the watch during call did not work. Needless to say, there is also no Samsung Pay option. Of course, this watch works best when paired with the Samsung. But hey, it's cool that at least Samsung gives us an option to use this watch on iOS. Speaking of the battery life, the Samsung claims the battery lasts up to 5 days. However, from my experience, I had this watch last me about 3.5 days on average. I'd say this is a small improvement, since the Gear S3 lasted me about 2 days. Speaking of the price, the smaller 42mm Galaxy Watch costs $330 and you have to spend $20 more if you want to go for the larger 46mm version. What I really like about the Galaxy Watch is the fact that it's super customizable, from the watch faces and the interface to your workout plans and a lot of subtle details that really make you feel like this watch is yours. So perhaps the most important question many of you will have: is it worth an upgrade? If you already have the Gear S3, honestly, I don't think so. Unless of course you're like me and you also fell in love with the beautiful new gold color. But keep in mind guys, the battery life hasn't changed dramatically and you already have like 90% of the Galaxy Watch features in your old Gear S3. But guys, let's imagine you've never had a Samsung smartwatch. In that case, this watch will blow you away by its premium build quality, amazing set of features, and good battery. So that's all for now. Let me know what you guys think and hit me up on the comments below.